Thank you for purchasing this Nordic Track exercise bike. Assembly requires 2 persons. Place all parts in a cleared area and remove the packing materials. Do not dispose of the packing materials until you finish all assembly steps. Left parts are marked L or left, and right parts are marked R or right. In addition to the included tools, assembly requires 1 Phillips screwdriver. To avoid damaging parts, do not use power tools for assembly, and keep the included tools. 1 or more of them may be needed to make adjustments in the future. If there are shipping tubes attached to the front and rear of the frame, remove and discard them and the hardware attaching them. Next, orient the front stabilizer as shown and attach it to the frame with 2 M10 by 25 mm screws. Attach the rear stabilizer to the frame with 2 M10 by 25 mm screws. Then locate the indicated adjustment handle. Rotate the adjustment handle counterclockwise about 4 turns and then pull it outward. Next, insert the saddle post into the frame. Slide the saddle post to the desired position and then release the adjustment handle into an adjustment hole in the saddle post. Make sure that the adjustment handle is in an adjustment hole, and then tighten the adjustment handle about 4 turns. Then pull the adjustment handle outward, turn it so that it points downward as shown, and then release it. Next, identify the right weight rest and orient it as shown. Attach the right weight rest to the saddle carriage with 2 M6 by 12 mm screws. Attach the left weight rest in the same way. Please note, you can attach your own pedals if you desire. Identify the right pedal using your fingers, turn the right pedal about halfway into the right crank arm, then use the included wrench to firmly tighten the right pedal. Next, repeat this step with the left pedal, but you must turn the left pedal counterclockwise to attach it. Have a second person hold the handlebar near the frame. Next, pull the tag on the handlebar wire so that the end of the handlebar wire is outside of the handlebar as shown. Next, locate the indicated adjustment handle. Rotate the adjustment handle counterclockwise about 4 turns and then pull it outward. Do not pinch the handlebar wire. Insert the handlebar into the frame, slide the handlebar to the desired position, and then release the adjustment handle into an adjustment hole in the handlebar. Make sure that the adjustment handle is in an adjustment hole. Cut the indicated zip tie and discard it. Next, connect the frame wire to the handlebar wire. Important, the wire connectors should slide together easily and snap into place with an audible click. You must connect the wires properly for your studio bike to function properly. Then carefully press the connectors on the wires upward into the frame. Make sure to not pinch the wires. Press the front cover onto the frame and attach the front cover with an M4 by 12 mm screw. Have a second person hold the console mount near the handlebar. If the mount cover is in the console mount, remove the mount cover and save it. Next, untie both ends of the wire in the console mount. Do not remove the wire tie yet. Tie the lower end of the wire tie through the wire pull on the handlebar wire. Then insert the wire pull and the end of the handlebar wire into the console mount. Do not pinch the handlebar wire during this next step. Using the wire tie, carefully pull the handlebar wire through the console mount, while a second person carefully slides the console mount onto the handlebar. Then attach the console mount with 2 M6 union bolts. Do not fully tighten the union bolts yet. Press the small latch on the wire pull on the handlebar wire and remove and discard the wire pull and the wire tie. Then remove the rubber band from the handlebar wire. Route the handlebar wire upward through the opening in the console bracket. Next, have a second person hold the console near the console bracket. Connect the 2 console wires to the 2 connectors on the handlebar wire. Important: the wire connectors should slide together easily and snap into place with an audible click. You must connect the wires properly for your studio bike to function properly. Next, insert the console wires and the connectors on the handlebar wire into the console. Make sure to not pinch the wires. Attach the console to the console bracket with 4 M6 by 16 mm screws. Start all 4 screws and then tighten them. Hold the sides of the console and rotate it to the position shown. Then make sure that the console is level and firmly tighten the 2 M6 union bolts that you previously attached. Insert the mount cover into the console mount. Do not pinch the wires. Identify the lower display cover and press it onto the back of the console. Note, it may be helpful to pivot the console upward for access. Then press the upper display cover onto the back of the console. Set the hand weights in the weight rests. Plug the power adapter into the receptacle on the frame. Note, to plug the power adapter into an outlet, see how to plug in the power adapter on page 14 of the user manual. After the studio bike is assembled, inspect it to make sure that it is assembled correctly and that all parts are properly tightened. Extra parts may be included. Keep the included tools. One or more of them may be needed to make adjustments in the future. Place a mat under the studio bike to protect the floor or carpet. Thank you for purchasing this NordicTrack exercise bike.